Hi, my name is Miranda Knobloch, and today we're going over our interactive journal week 3. First, we're going over prompt number senses. I chose to focus on counting, specifically up and back counting. I chose to focus on this strategy of counting because it is both a verbal and physical action to counting. I believe this method would benefit my students because it's using both physical, verbal, and listening skills to count up to a specific number and then back. You would have your students line up, stand, and as they count, if they're number 1, when number 1 is said, they would sit down. 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, they would sit down. And then when you go back down, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, those numbers would then stand back up. For example, 1, sit down. 2, sit down. 3, sit down. 4, sit down. 4, stand back up. 3, stand back up. 2, stand back up. 1, stand back up. For contextual problems, the definition in the book is a teaching tool to help students activate problem-solving strategies and gain a rich understanding of operations. In my class, this would look like having my students think about the answer of a problem before solving it, then going back and looking at the numbers. So I would take the numbers out of the problem and then ask them, what is the problem asking? Who's in the problem? What's happening in the problem? Things like that. After that, if the problem has more than one step, we would then look at the first part of the problem, answer it, then move on to the next part. And this is the reference that I used from our textbook.